Good day, volleyball fans. Be ready to watch our third game here in the women's division of the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 in the Western Conference. Volleyball fans, for our third game, Anda goes head-to-head against Team Bugalion having 4-0 standing for this matchup. Matutunghayan natin kung ma-maintain nga ba ng Team Bugalion ang kanilang winning streak record for this season or makakakuha na nga ba ng first win ang Team Anda. Sabay-sabay natin abangan at tuklasin kung ano nga ba ang magiging resulta ng ating third game for today. Kaya volleyball fans, just keep watching here in our page because our game 3 in the women's division is about to start. Again, this is Samantha De Guzman, your courtside reporter. Back to Miss Victoria and Mr. Joseph.
Welcome back, everyone, and thank you for staying with us this Sunday morning here at the Alameda City Sports Complex for the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026. To all our viewers watching from home and to everyone supporting your favorite municipalities, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat.
Before we continue, we would once again like to recognize the man whose unwavering commitment continues to strengthen his sports programs across Pangasinan. Our beloved Governor Ramon Monmon Biguico III. Through his leadership and dedication, this tournament continues to inspire athletes, unite communities, and promote the true spirit of sportsmanship. Maraming salamat po, Governor.
Up next is an exciting women's division showdown between Team Anda versus Team Bugalion. Team Anda heads into today's game looking for redemption after falling short in yesterday's match. While the result may not have gone their way, every game offers a new opportunity to regroup, improve, and come back stronger. On the other side, Team Bugalion.
On the other side, Team Bugalion comes into today's contest riding the momentum of an impressive victory. Leading the way was player of the game, Angeline Vicente. Who delivered a remarkable 13-point performance. Her offensive firepower and ability to step up during crucial moments were key factors in Bugalion's success. And she'll certainly be one of the players to watch this morning.
Will Bugalion continue its winning momentum or will Anda answer with a statement victory? One thing is certain here, we are in for another exciting battle here at the Alaminos City Sports Complex. I am Maria Victoria Ferrer together with my partner,
Joseph Soriano.
and we are honored to be your commentators for today's live coverage. Don't go anywhere. The action begins in just a few moments.
Good morning. Welcome to Governor Ramon Biguico Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026. Governor's Cup right here at Alameda City Gymnasium, the home of the 100 Islands, Alameda City, Pangasinan. This match, number 39 of Volleyball Women's Division Western Conference. We will play between your team, the Municipality of Anda, and the Municipality of Bugalion. The national referees officiating this match. Our first referee, Mr. Christian Joseph Capitile, and our second referee, Mr. Alan Lugade. Good luck, players. Good luck, officials. Players in hands. Objects in hands.
First 6 for Team Bugalion, jersey number 13, 1, 19, 4, 8, and 2. First libero, jersey number 7.
First 6 for Team Anda, jersey number 4. 12, 2, 3, and 16.
For the first serve, jersey number 4, Pagarigan.
Studio to the open, jersey number 6. Aguilar. Team Anda gets the first point for this match. Custodio serving. Quijado. Eslera to C. And that is a point for Team Bugalion.
Eslera. Kaasi, hinabol ni Valenzuela. Free ball. Nandun si Pagarigan. Eslera sa opposite. And a point for jersey number 2.
Eslera. Valenzuela misreceives that one. Eslera to Vicente.
Eslera sets it to C. And another point for jersey number 19.
Second point for jersey number 19. Hana serving Eslera. And a service ace for jersey number 13.
Anda is having a hard time na makapagpasa sa kanilang setter. Another one. Free ball for Team Bugalion. Eslera to the middle. No check ball. So, a point for Team Anda.
Serving jersey number 16, Camero.
Eslera sa open.
Custodio to Aguilar. Andun si Quijado. Si hinabol ang bola. Pagarigan magbibigay ng free ball. Custodio to Cali. To Aguilar. Point for Team Anda.
Ang live coverage po ng Central Conference ay sa Facebook page po na Para sa Pangasinan. Maaari nyo pong i-search yon dito sa Facebook po natin. Andun po ang kanilang live coverage. Serving jersey number 16, Camero. Eslera backset kay Vicente. Cali, iangat para kay Aguilar. What happened? I think we don't want this to happen sa ating mga players. Vicente is one of the key players here for Team Bugalion, and we don't want something like this to happen sa ating tournament. I hope it's nothing serious. And papalitan po muna si Vicente. Uh, we really hope it's nothing serious. Balik po tayo dito sa ating laro. It's Team Bugalion versus Team Anda. Another point for jersey number 2.
Camero still serving. Pagarigan for the first ball. Eslera tinaas para kay C. Custodio.
Miss set by Custodio.
Unforced error there for Team Anda. We are all tied at 5. Sorio serving.
Custodio sinet kay Valenzuela, and cross-court attack works for jersey number 3.
Aguilar serving.
Eslera will set it to Binluan, and a point for jersey number 8.
Hannah serving.
What's the call? Rotational error for Team Anda. So another point, free point for Team Bugalion.
Hannah serving. Good serve. Custodio. Tinaas para kay Cali. Cross court. Eslera. To Pagarigan. Off speed attack. Over receive.
Cali for Valenzuela. Eslera to Pagarigan. That is outside. And deadlock at 7.
Cali serving.
Service ace for jersey number 12. And lamang na po ng isa ang Team Anda. Back-to-back aces for jersey number 12. We can see here sa part ng Team Bugalion partner that every game, iba-iba yung kanilang first six.
Tama ka
So,
dyan, partner.
I think um, naghahanap ng perfect match or ng
Perfect rhythm
Yes.
para sa kanilang team. Now on the service zone, jersey number 2, Wendy Valenzuela.
to Kaasi.
Quijano.
Good,
Good
chase.
chase. Pero hindi siya natulungan ng kanyang mga teammates para maibalik ang bola. Jersey number 3 now serving. Pagarigan for the first ball.
Too wide. 3-point lead for Team Anda.
Valenzuela serving.
1 to play. Costujo. Not over. Now on the service zone, jersey number 8, Vinluan. Costujo back set. Eslera to Pagarigan. Cover. Kaasi, papalo. Eslera, isa-set, collision. Aguilar will send it over. Eslera, back set to Sorio, drop ball. Papaluin ni Kaasi, andun si C. Eslera to Sorio again. No check ball. That long rally.
Kasi now serving for Team Anda. Eslera, where she go to? Sorio. Dog. Free ball para sa Team Bugalyon. Eslera to Pagarigan, and that will be a point for jersey number 4.
Good side out there on the part of Team Bugalyon. But we can hear dito sa venue ang cheer ng Team Anda. Service ace for the team captain, Pagarigan.
Second point for the team captain. Pagarigan. Good serve once again. Free ball para sa Team Bugalyon. Eslera to Sorio.
But net infraction there by jersey number 16, Camero.
We are tied now at 12 apiece. Pagarigan.
Valenzuela is a set sa open. Quijado, Eslera to C, but that is not over. Custudio.
Camero sa gitna. Pagarigan na itaas pa ang bola. Quijado may tatawid ba? Oh no. Hindi na naitawid ang bola para sa Team Bugalyon. 14 serving 12.
Custudio. Too long. Too much muscle on that.
Now serving Angel. Camero tinasang bola. Point for Team Bugalyon. Time out for Team Anda.
Dahil tie na po tayo sa 14. Partner, habang nasa timeout, no, maya-maya lamang po ay babanggitin namin ang mga mahalagang balita tungkol sa mga programa at proyekto ng ating mahal na gobernador na si Ramon Monmon V. Gico III.
Tama. Alam naman natin ang sports ay isang paraan para mapag-isa ang bawat bayan. Pero bukod sa sports, marami ring programa ang provincial government na patuloy na nagbibigay ng serbisyo at oportunidad sa bawat Pangasinense.
Kaya maya-maya lamang po habang nasa timeout tayo, babanggitin po natin lahat yan. Pero sa ngayon, balik po muna tayo dito sa laro ng Team Anta versus Team Bugalion. Kali Pagarigan will set it to the open. Ginawa ng paraan ni C. Itataas para kay Aguilar off speed. Free ball for Team Anda. Costudio will set it to the middle. Nagkalituhan si Camero and si Aguilar. And just like that, lamang ng isa ang Team Bugalion.
Eslera serving. Valenzuela. Custodio to Aguilar. Off-speed attacks. And that will work for Team Anda.
Smart play for Aguilar.
Camero. Pagarigan for the first ball. Wendy. Custodio to Valenzuela, block. Custodio to Aguilar. Andun si Quijado. C. Custodio, ihahatid kay Valenzuela. Andun ulit si Quijado. Wendy, hindi na nagawaan ng paraan. (16 serving 15). Camero. Eslera to Wendy. And a sharp cross court for jersey number 2. Serving jersey number 6, Sorio. Good ball. Eslera to Binluan. Free ball para sa Team Bugalion. Point for Team Bugalion. Courtesy of jersey number 8. Sorio still serving. Custodio to Cali. Attack error for Team Anda. Lamang na po ng dalawa ang Team Bugalion. 18 serving 16. Sorio.
The service ace for jersey number 6. Is received. Good ball. Free ball for Team Anda. Drop ball. Eslera will set it to the opposite. Andun yung libero. Custudio to Aguilar. Eslera is set para kay C, but that will go out. Point for Team Anda.
Substitution. Dehan in. Kaasi out. Aguilar serving. Service error for Team Anda. C.
Custodio. Point for jersey number 19. C. Received by the libero. Custucho will set it to the open. And si Eslera. Hinabol. And miscommunication by Pagarigan and Quejado.
Cali serving.
Eslera to the opposite. Another point for Team Bugalion.
Custodio. Todehan. Pagarigan is there. Pagarigan. Custodio. Todehan. Eslera. To Pagarigan. That won't work for Team Bugalion. Point for Team Anda. 19 serving 22.
Short serve over ball. Eslera will set it to Pagarigan. Fine zone 4. And timeout for Team Anda.
Binluan serving. Custodio. Todehan. Block. Eslera. Naitaas pa ang bola. Cali. Dehan para sa free ball. Eslera. Tosorio in the middle.
Set point for Team Bugalion. Vinluan. Dehan, free ball for Team Bugalion. Pagarigan will play. On 2. So Bugalion wins the first set 25-19.
Quijado. Eslera para sa free ball. C gets the first point for Team Bugalion in this set 2. Valenzuela. Pagarigan to Hana. And that will be a point for jersey number 19. Eslera is still serving.
Valenzuela. Eslera will set it to C. Self-cover. Sorio. Eslera, back set kay Perez. And a point for jersey number 12.
Eslera. That will be a point for Team Anda.
3-1 po ang ating score. Lamang ng dalawa ang Team Bugalion.
Camero on the service zone. Perez is there.
Ginawa ng paraan. Jimenez isa-set sa open. Andan si Pagarigan. Eslera back set to Perez. Dog. Free ball for Team Bugalion. Eslera will set it to Sorio and gets through the block.
For serving one, now serving jersey number 6, Sorio.
Service ace for Sorio.
Sorio.
Back-to-back aces.
Sorio still serving. And another service ace for jersey number 6. Jimenez. Eslera to C. Off-speed attack.
Attack error for jersey number 17, Arig. And Anda will call for time dahil 7-point lead po dito ang Team Bugalion.
Isa rin sa mga prioridad ng provincial government ang pagbibigay ng mas maraming oportunidad sa pagtrabaho.
Sa pamamagitan ng Provincial Employment and Services Office, regular ang local recruitment activities at job fairs para sa ating mga kababayan. Tuloy po natin yan mamaya. Pero dito po muna tayo sa laro ng Team Bugalion versus Team Anda. Nasa second set na po tayo. Still serving jersey number 6, Sorio. Good time out there on the part of Team Anda. Icing the server.
Serving jersey number 18, Valenzuela. Eslera to Perez. 9-point lead for Team Bugalyon. 10 serving 1. C. Jimenez to Arig, drop ball. That will work for Team Anda. Arig.
Perez, ginawa ng paraan, pero a point for Team Anda.
Arig. Eslera. Attack error there on jersey number 16. Baba sa 4-point lead ang kalamangan ng Team Bugalyon. 5 serving 9. Service error for Team Anda. Service ace there for jersey number 12, Perez. Perez, Jimenez to Valenzuela, Eslera to Ocado on the middle. C. Pagarigan drop ball, but she is caught on the net. Point for Team Anda.
11-6 ang ating score.
Valenzuela.
Over ball. Free ball for Team Bugalyon. Eslera will set it to Pagarigan. Triple block. Error again. And another point for Team Anda. Baba sa 4 ang kalamangan ng Team Bugalyon. Tuloy natin yung kanina tungkol sa employment na meron ding free training Jumpstart Your Entrepreneurial Journey ang Provincial Employment and Services Office para sa mga aspiring entrepreneurs bukas simula alas 8 ng umaga hanggang alas 5 ng hapon.
Gaganapin ito sa Peso Multipurpose Hall, Pangasinan, Capitol Complex, Lingayen. Dahil dito, tunay nating masasabi ang tagline ay pinagmamalaki ng ating lalawigan, Pangasinan ang galing.
Nakikita na natin dito na nagre-ready na po ang Team Bolinao and Team Dasol dahil sila po ang ating next game. After this, point for Pagarigan.
Ocado.
Net infraction there by Sorio. So, another point for Team Anda.
Serving jersey number 7. Eslera, underhand set to Pagarigan. To play for Eslera. Quijado is there. Pagarigan. Point for Team Bugalyon.
Balik sa 5-point lead ang kalamangan ng Team Bugalyon.
Valenzuela is blocked. Another point for Team Bugalyon. 14 serving 8.
Unti-unting lumulobo ang kalamangan ng Team Bugalyon dito.
Pagarigan still serving. Jimenez to Valenzuela.
Net violation by jersey number 13.
Now serving Jimenez. Quijado is there.
Another violation committed by Team Bugalion.
Jimenez. Another net violation called on Team Bugalion. (11 serving 14). Quijado. Eslera to Sorio in the middle. Breaks that block. Point for jersey number 6, Sorio. Eslera now serving. And a service ace for jersey number 13, Eslera. Valenzuela. Jimenez ibibigay ang free ball. Andun si C. Perez. Doug. Valenzuela. Good ball. Pagarigan, free ball. Point for Team Anda. Camero serving. Eslera.
Soft touch to Arig. Drop ball. Eslera. And error for jersey number 12. Baba sa 3-point lead ang kalamangan ng Team Bugalion. Good serve. Andun si Jimenez. Arig will set it to Valenzuela and score for jersey number 18. 2-point lead na lang ang Team Bugalion. Camero. And that is a service ace for Team Anda. Timeout, Team Bugalion.
Camero. Eslera to Sorio, gives a free ball. Jimenez to Valenzuela, drops that ball. C. And a point for Team Bugalion. Sorio. Jimenez to Valenzuela in the middle. Eslera to C. Jimenez to Arig. Off-speed attack. Andun si Eslera. Perez plays setter. An attack error for Team Bugalion.
Slera sets it to the open and Okado is blocked. We are now tied at 17. Valenzuela. Received by Quijado. Isiset kay Perez. Trap ball. Libero will play setter here. Eslera. To the middle. Jimenez was there. Valenzuela will set it to Orito. Free ball. Saved by the libero, Quijado. Eslera backs it to Perez. And Perez gets the point. At lamang na po ng isa ang Team Anda.
Serving jersey number 19. C. Jimenez to Arig. Pagarigan. Jimenez to Orito. Andun si Quijado. Eslera to Pagarigan. Off-speed attack. Almost a point. Valenzuela for the free ball. And a miscommunication there between Quijado and C. We are tied at 18 apiece. Serving jersey number 17. Arig. And a service ace for Team Anda. Lamang na po sila ng isa. Arig.
Deadlock again at 19. Dikitan po ang ating laban dito sa second set. Jimenez itataas para kay Valenzuela. Andun si Quijado. Good intention there by Pagarigan, pero hindi niya naitawid ang bola.
Valenzuela now serving. Valenzuela hinabol ang bola. Free ball binigay ni Camero. Eslera to Wendy. Orit. Good ball. Eslera to Pagarigan. Jimenez to Orito. And that point is out. Team Bugalion gets that point.
Deadlock at 20. And that is inside.
Jimenez to Orito, block. Andun si Camero. Jimenez hinabol ang bola. And a point for Team Bugalion. 22 serving 20. And Team Anda will call for time.
Lamang ng dalawa ang Team Bugalion. Let's see kung magkakaroon pa tayo ng third set or tatapusin na ito ng Team Bugalion.
season. That is service error for jersey number 2. Kaasi now serving for Team Anda. Islera. Pagarigan is blocked. But still get that point.
2 points away.
Pagarigan. Camero gives a free ball. Islera to middle Sorio. Valenzuela.
Error for the setter. Si Bequejado. Islera to see. That's long. And we are now tied at 23.
Jimenez. Islera to Sorio.
And another error for Team Bugalion. Wala na silang timeout. So they are on their own now. But it's outside. Extended set, race to 26.
Islera now serving.
Sure serve. Jimenez will set it to Valenzuela. Blocked, and that is inside. Set point number 1 for Team Bugalion.
Islera. Jimenez to Valenzuela. Block. Self-cover. Camera tinas para kay Valenzuela.
And she finds zone 1. Race to 27.
Camero. Islera hinabol ang bola. Perez gagawa ng paraan. Valenzuela.
That is off the block. Set point number 2 for Team Anda.
Same spot there for jersey number 18. Camero serving.
Sharp serve. Islera hahabulin. Free ball for Team Anda. Jimenez will set it to the hot hands. Andon si Pagarigan. Free ball for Team Anda. Jimenez kay Valenzuela ulit. And same spot. We are going to a third and deciding set. You are still watching the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference. It is between Team Bugalion and Team Anda. Third set na po tayo.
And first serve for this third set will be given to Team Anda. Jimenez.
Arig will set it to Valenzuela. That's been her target. Same spot.
Jimenez. Andun si Quijado. Pagarigan. Point for Team Bugalion. Serving jersey number 12, Perez. Valenzuela. C is there. Pagarigan gagawa ng paraan. Binluan pushes that one. And a point for Team Bugalion. Perez. Valenzuela gives a free ball. That will be outside.
Sharp serve by Perez. Jimenez itataas para kay Valenzuela, but not this time. Three-point lead here for Team Bugalion. And a service ace for Perez.
Jimenez to Camero in the middle. Eslera hinabol ang bola. Pagarigan. Valenzuela over receives that one and sails out. Point for Team Bugalion.
She's been the go-to player here for Team Bugalion since nilabas si Vicente dahil sa kanyang injury.
Pagarigan once again. Kaasi. Valenzuela bibigay ang free ball. Eslera 1-2 play block. And a point for Team Anda for that unforced error of Team Bugalion.
Free ball for Team Anda. Jimenez will set it to Valenzuela. Dog. To Arig. Swipe. Smart play there by Arig. Sharp serve. Tinaas ni Eslera. And another error there for Team Bugalion. Isa na lang ang kanilang kalamangan.
Camero. Back to 3-point lead. 7 serving 4. Jersey number 8 serving, Binluan. Valenzuela.
Miscommunication on the side of Team Bugalion. Serving Valenzuela. It's received. Tinaas para kay Sorio. Drop ball. Jimenez to Kaasi. Eslera. Free ball. Valenzuela itataas para kay Arig. Pero kinulang. Point for Team Bugalion.
Pagarigan. Receives that one. Free ball para sa Team Bugalion.
Another
Yeah.
error there for jersey number 17.
Pagarigan. Service error. Now serving. Arig. Pagarigan. Eslera. Sorio. Gets that point through the block. Eslera. Jimenez tinaas para kay Valenzuela but couldn't get through. Team Anda will call for time. Eslera. Kaasi gives a free ball. Ober receives that one and Team Anda gets that point. Valenzuela serving. Eslera to Perez. Jimenez to Kaasi, block. And a point for Team Bugalion. Sorio serving. Kaasi. Andun si Eslera. Perez will play setter. Binluan itataas na ang bola para sa Team Anda. Kaasi. And that will be out. Point for Team Bugalion. Sorio.
Free ball. Error for Team Anda.
Sorio still serving. And that will be a service ace for Team Bugalion. 15 serving 8.
7-point lead. Cassie out, Aguilar in. Back-to-back ace for jersey number 6, Sorio.
Miscommunication there between Camero and Valenzuela. For getting that second ball. Point for Team Bugalion. Still serving jersey number 6.
9-point lead. Jimenez will set it to Aguilar. Slera was there. Free ball. Jimenez want to play.
Good ball.
Saved. Long rally. Eslera will set it to Perez. And that is inside. Another point for Team Bugalion. 10-point lead. Biggest lead of the match.
Still serving. Sorio.
Camero. Collision. Islera is in pain. They had a collision there earlier. And we don't want another player from Team Bugalion to be injured. Let's see. Sabi niya okay lang siya.
And she's okay. Sorio. Jimenez for the second play. Jimenez to Camero in the middle block. Point for Team Bugalion.
And Team Anda will call their last timeout for this match.
Jersey number 6, Sorio. Still serving. Aguilar. Camero magbibigay ng free ball. Eslera.
Regalo. Eslera. Chance ball for Team Anda. Jimenez will set it to Aguilar, but that is outside. No check ball.
Official score 21 serving 8.
Biggest lead, 13 points.
Sorio.
Net violation there called on Vin Luan.
Kaasi serving.
Perez. Jimenez. Another error there. Bugalion is 3 points away.
22 serving 9. Jersey number 19 serving. C. Valenzuela gives a free ball. Eslera to Perez. Cross-court shot. And that will be a point for Team Bugalion.
Slayer out. Kalagin in. Jimenez siset sa open. And a point for Valenzuela. Binawi niya ang kanyang error kanina. But still, 30-point lead here.
Jimenez. And that will send Bugalion to a match point. Perez serving. Valenzuela for the free ball. Perez plays setter. Pagarigan sends it over. Jimenez to Sibayan. Andun si Perez. No one get the second ball there for Team Bugalion. Point for Team Anda. Camero.
Quejado itataas ang bola. Pagarigan will give a free ball. Kaasi. Jimenez to Valenzuela. Andun si Perez. Kalagin will set it to Pagarigan. Valenzuela on a 1-2. Free ball again for Team Bugalion. Kalagin will set it to Pagarigan. Andun si Valenzuela. And another point for Valenzuela. She's been the go-to player here for Team Anda for the whole game.
Camero serving. Kalagin. Ends our match 25-12. Congratulations to both teams. Winner Team Bugalion in 2 sets and 1 for Team Anda.
And our player of the game is with our courtside reporter, Miss Samantha Luis de Guzman.
That concludes our third game here in the women's division. Nakita naman natin mula sa Municipality of Bagayon and Municipality of Anda na binigay nila ang buong tapang, puso and teamwork sa loob ng court. Kitang-kita natin ang kanilang floor defense and powerful attacks from the first set up until the third set. Right now, I am with the best player of the game from the winning team. Team Bugalion, player number 4, Jamie Pagarigan, having 11 attacks and 1 ace. So, congratulations for winning this game and for being the best player of the game. Since after na nangyari kay Vicente ng first set and after the result of your second set, paano ka nag-step up as the team captain and also the best player of the game para makuha yung panalo for this game?
Bilang team captain po, mas nileft up ko pa po yung mga kasama ko na sinabihan na mag-less error. Tapos ginawa ko yung best ko para mas umayos yung laro namin at manalo sa game na to.
Malaking bagay kasi na minomotivate natin yung mga ka-team natin para mas galingan pa nila and hindi mawala sa play. So, ano yung feeling naman na still undefeated pa rin kayo for this season?
Sobrang saya po. Lalo na po, hindi naman po kami yung sobrang kalakasang team pero andyan pa rin yung mga teammates na ginagawa yung best nila lagi para makapag-ambag sa team tapos manalo sa game na to.
Importante kasi na habang ginagawa mo yung best mo, dapat gawin din ng teammates mo yung best nila para mas maging maganda yung result ng game ninyo. So, sino naman yung mga gusto mong pasalamatan or i-shoutout?
Thank you po sa mayor namin sa patuloy na pagsuporta. Ganun rin po sa mga officers, council. Maraming salamat din po sa coaches namin coaches and coaching staff na laging gumagabay po sa amin. Shout out po sa mama ko na bilang yung error ko. Shout out po Mayor. Baka naman daw ho. Shout out po kay Wendy tsaka kay Angeline Vicente.
Thank you so much and again, congratulations for winning this game. Anong masasabi mo na ikaw ang muse ng team? Anong masasabi mo ikaw ang muse ng team?
Ano?
Na ikaw yung muse ng team.
Shout out kay daddy ko! Birthday niya kaya! Shout out sa mama ko, ma! I love you!
Thank you so much. Volleyball fans, that ends here our third game in the women's division. But stay here dahil mas magiging intense and exciting pa ang ating last two games in the women's division. Again, this is Samantha de Guzman, your courtside reporter. Pangasinan, ang galing.